Welcome to our amazing session regarding riddles. If you haven't subscribed my channel, Charismatic Approach to Life, then do it immediately to grasp the English language skills and to stay updated with the amazing upcoming videos. Learning the English language through riddles is not only an engaging and entertaining approach, but also a highly effective way to enhance one's language skills. Riddles provide numerous benefits that contribute to our well-rounded understanding and mastery of English. Let's delve into the importance of English through riddles. 1. Vocabulary expansion. Riddles often include unfamiliar words or idiomatic expressions, introducing learners to new vocabulary. By deciphering riddles, students are exposed to a diverse range of words and phrases that enhance their lexicon and allow for fluent communication. 2. Contextual understanding. Riddles provide learners with the opportunity to comprehend words and expressions within a specific context. This contextual understanding is crucial for grasping the nuances and multiple meanings of words, which is fundamental in English language learning. 3. Language fluency. Riddles often involve wordplay, puns, and clever use of language. By engaging with riddles, learners develop a deeper understanding of English grammar, syntax, and linguistic nuances. This exposure contributes to improving language fluency and enables learners to express themselves in a more proficient manner. 4. Critical thinking skills. Riddles require analytical thinking, problem solving, and the ability to make connections between different elements. These cognitive processes actively stimulate the brain, promoting the development of critical thinking skills. By engaging with riddles, learners become more adept at logic, reasoning, and deduction, which are valuable skills in language acquisition and in various real-life situations. 5. Language structure and syntax. Riddles offer a unique way to explore the structure and syntax of English language. Through analyzing the phrasing, wordplay, and grammatical patterns present in riddles, learners gain a deeper understanding of how sentences are constructed and how different linguistic elements interact with one another. 6. Cultural insight. Riddles often reflect cultural aspects and idiomatic expressions specific to English-speaking countries. By engaging with these riddles, learners not only improve their language skills but also gain insights into the cultural heritage and traditions associated with English language. Understanding contributes to a well-rounded appreciation and comprehension of the language. 7. Engaging and interactive learning. Learning through riddles injects an element of fun and excitement into the language learning process. Riddles encourage active participation, collaboration, and engagement with the language, making learning more enjoyable and memorable. Learners are motivated to think creatively, share ideas, and actively communicate in English. 8. Enhanced memory retention. Riddles require memorization, as learners need to remember the details, clues, and solutions to solve them correctly. This process of memorization enhances memory retention capabilities and strengthens overall language learning. The more learners engage with riddles, the more they exercise their memory muscles, leading to improved long-term recall of language components. In conclusion, incorporating riddles into English language learning is a valuable and effective approach. Riddles promote vocabulary expansion, contextual understanding, critical thinking skills, language structure comprehension, cultural insights, and memory retention. So embrace the fun and challenge of riddles to enhance your English language proficiency. Now it's time to take your cognition test and see how active your brain works. You'll have approximately 10 seconds to read and answer the riddle. Do calculate your score out of 30. Let's start. Enjoy! What kind of relation is mentioned when two friends share the same birthday? Twins. I'm your aunt's brother, but not your uncle. Who am I? You're Dad, of course.
I'm stronger than steel, yet fragile as a feather. Who am I? Hmm, trust. What gets wetter the more it dries? Uh, love. I have keys, but no locks. I have space, but no room. You can enter, but you can't go outside. Who am I? It's the heart. I'm always with you, but never in your way. I'm present in every relationship. Come what may. Hmm. Support. What has no beginning and or middle, but still touches every relationship. Ah, communication. I can be given and taken, but never bought or sold. What am I? Yes, respect. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The letter M. What is easy to get into, but hard to get out of? Yeah, trouble. Yeah. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? Hmm. A piano. I'm free, yet priceless. You can't own me, but you can use me. Once you have lost me, you can never get me back. What am I? Oh, time. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Footsteps. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. What am I? A joke. What can be caught but never thrown? A cold. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. What runs but never walks? Has a mouth but never talks? A river. I'm always coming, but never arriving. What am I? Tomorrow. I have a neck, but no head. I wear a cap, but have no hair. What am I? Yes, a bottle. What goes around the world but stays in a corner? Hmm, a stamp. What has a bed but never sleeps? Has a mouth but never eats? A river. What breaks but never falls? And what falls but never breaks? Day breaks and night falls. What gets bigger when more is taken away? A hole. What has a face that doesn't break and hands that don't clap? A clock. What is white when it's dirty and black when it's clean? A chalkboard. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? An echo. What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right hand? Your right elbow. I'm taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case. I reach out to the stars and remain in one place. What am I? A pencil. What has a golden heart but is not made of gold? A pineapple. What has an eye but cannot see? A needle. I'm sure you must have calculated your score. Thank you very much for joining us today. Do subscribe so that we can meet again in a wonderful new session. Thank you.